So you might be in a situation where for some random reason your Apple Vision Pro is just not charging. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons, but the number one reason why this ends up not happening for the most part is usually due to your particular Apple Vision Pro headset not being fully connected to either a charger or to an actual external battery charger. So the first thing you want to do is just make sure that your particular your Apple Vision Pro is fully connected to a particular some sort of a third-party charging accessory, or it's connected to that third-party charger, or it's connected to that actual charger that Apple gives you in the box. So number one, do that. The next thing, you will have to plug that into some sort of wall outlet or a PC or a MacBook or an iMac or something along those lines in order to actually get that thing to fully work. If you're not doing that, that in and of itself can probably be a reason why your particular Apple Vision Pro headset is not working. So you may just want to go ahead and make sure that that particular, device you're using, that battery charger, is fully connected, fully actually plugged into your particular your Apple Vision Pro, and that battery charger is plugged in as well. So just keep that in mind. Now you can use your Apple Vision Pro wirelessly for that, with that battery charger for like a couple hours. I think it's maybe like an hour and a half or 2 hours. It's not that long. So keep in mind, because it takes up that much power, you will have to continuously charge up that Apple Vision Pro's battery in order to actually get that thing working all the time. So keep that in mind. If that's not working, you may want to unplug everything from your Apple Vision Pro and re-plug everything back in. Sometimes these fixes can be as simple as that, and that might be another thing you may have to do to end up fixing that particular problem as well. So those are just a few different ways to go and fix this particular problem. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.